Hi, and welcome to this tutorial video of our Spotzi Mapbuilder. This video will cover the basic layout of our map builder and where you can find everything you need to start working on those beautiful maps you have envisioned. So, without further ado, let's dive into the map builder. On the left side of the screen, we can find the different map builder areas. We see my maps, my data, and my dashboards. These three areas are the starting points of creating your maps. In the middle, we can see the Spotzi data. This section lets you browse all the different data sets we currently have available. These sets cover basic boundaries like postal codes, demographical data, income and spending data, consumer styles, and even real estate data. Let's get back to the map builder areas. First up is the My Data area. This is the place where you manage your data. Here you can upload new sets, get an overview of which data is in your account, and even edit it. When everything is to your satisfaction, we can easily create a map with just a few clicks. This will be covered in one of the next instruction videos. Let's hop over to My Maps. This is the My Maps area. This is the place where you manage your maps. Here you can create new maps and get an overview of which maps are in your account. After creating all kind of incredible maps, you just can't wait to share them with your colleagues, which is obvious. So we gave you the opportunity to share these maps as a dashboard. Let's hop over to the My Dashboard area. This is the My Dashboard area. And this is the place where you manage your dashboards. Here you can get an overview of which dashboards are in your account, which users have access to these dashboards, and the links for sharing, embedding, or even programming around these dashboards. This concludes the first tutorial video about the Spotzi Map Builder. Check out our other fundamental instruction videos about data, styling, or sharing maps. Are you still missing some content? I'll leave a comment below and we'll include this in a future video. Subscribe to the channel to get notifications about further instruction videos, and I will spot you in the next tutorial video. Cheers!